All right, so it says, are the control arms that you guys make better than the stock RS5 control arm and etc.? I'm assuming this is B8. When it comes to physical parts upgrades that are universal for all models. Yeah, so uh, our control arms are basically factory arms, but we modify the bushings. And so they are stiffer rubber than factory. And the factory bushings actually have fluid in them. So it means there's big voids inside the mount, and they're filled with this hydraulic oil. So we get rid of all that, and it's solid rubber all the way through. So it's a
Where it can be. Yeah, you
yeah.
can't just make a brick of rubber there.
No, we still have voids in there, but the fluid is now filled solidly. So they're going to be better performing, much longer lasting, a lot cheaper. I think to outfit your car with factory arms is probably like $2 or $3 grand.
Yeah, I think we're like a quarter of that.
We're like $850 now. And then there's some aftermarket stuff out there. You're going to get some OE replacement type quality. It's not going to be a performance option.